Hey guys, this is Matt and King with Matt and Mingo RVing. I'm going to quickly show you how to insulate your RV water hose from the elements. So if it's going to freeze in your area and you need to do something quick, this is the episode for you. We're going to use the heat cable, zip ties, and these 6-foot long pieces of insulation I got at Lowe's. The insulation is $2.50 a piece. So I got 5, roughly $13, $14. And the heat cable is the most expensive part, running about $45 for a 30-foot piece. And then you need zip ties, and of course an adapter to plug it into if you need that. So here we go. And adapter and plugged in. And the great thing about this is it doesn't kick on until I believe it reaches 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Below that, so you can leave it on really all year long if you're sitting in one place. But if you're moving, it's also cool for that because it's really easy to put on and take off. So I wrapped the filter, and here's the plug right here. It'll tell me if it's on or not, but it only clicks on if it gets cold enough. Now, one tip, you may want to change your filter before you do this. That way you have a good 3 months without having to mess with anything dealing with your hose again. If you're smart about it, you'll do what I'm doing and pick a day where it's like 65, 70 degrees out, so you're not freezing at the same time. Last season, I didn't do that. I waited till it was already freezing and it sucked. Now, I hope you're enjoying this video. I'm getting close to finishing, but before I forget, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. All right, now let's get back to work. And that's it. Just about 30 minutes. I used a slightly bigger insulation piece there. And I mixed zip ties and duct tape. What I'll probably do is I'll probably come back later and put a nice long piece of duct tape down to seal it completely. But that's it. Y'all have a great day and weekend, and I'll see you on the next one.